It's absolutely fantastic to be here in Oldham celebrating the manufacturing sector across Greater Manchester. Overall, we've had about 140 manufacturers attend, and the exhibition has very much been about offering clients the opportunity to exhibit, to show what they do, to connect with others, to be proud of everything that they achieve in the manufacturing sector.
It's been really nice to see some of our suppliers here, and we've also forged some relationships of potential companies that we can work with that we didn't know were here before, so that's been fantastic.
Some of the sessions that the Business Growth Hub have put on have been really informative. The roundtable we've just had has been really good about sharing and understanding that other people have the same issues that we have.
This kind of event has been amazing for us. We've not seen exhibitions with this kind of footfall for 10 years plus. So for us to be here today, showing off our capabilities and joining the Growth Hub to celebrate what they can offer is an absolute privilege.